Welcome back, viewers. My name is Zenith, and I'm back again with another video. And today's video will be continuing the progress in which we'll be creating our game. It's an overhead car game. So make sure you don't go anywhere, make sure to subscribe, and let's continue without any further ado. So now, as you can see, this is the part 3 of our development of this game. So today what I'll be the last lesson I was explaining how you could add obstacles, and the obstacles which I had added were the rocks. And how would the player know if the rock would be attacking the car? By creating a warning sign. So today I'll be creating a point system in which when the player will collect specific amount of points, he will win. If he will not collect specific amount of points, then either the game will say him to keep on collecting points, or either he will have to keep on playing to win. So that's the plan which I'll be following today. And let us start programming. So I'll begin now first by creating the point system and other programs which will be needed in today's video. So let's do it. Okay, so now as you can see, I have created the program in which you collect the points and you win. That was just for a testing how I just placed one. So you can set the points to any number. The points could be 15. So now I'll explain what I had added in this program. First of all, I added the star, and basically its program is also quite same. Just like the rock, it will appear at different times. Make sure that you change the timing of the rock and the star to appear, because if they appear at the same time, then the player cannot collect the stars. Then I changed this block. It was also taken from the rocks, that if when the flag click forever, if it is touching card, then hide and change points by one and start sound collect. It's actually just a little sound effect I added, which when you collect the star, you get this sound effect. Then again, I would also place this game over, because it's essential. When the game will be when the game will be over, it is essential for the star to disappear and its program should not be running. And this program was really essential. When I received game over, stop other scripts in Sprite. Basically, other scripts in Sprite means that it stops these all other scripts. I did not only place it in this, I also placed in this and also in this, because when in the last lesson you might have seen that the game was over, but still the road was moving, so that did not look much realistic. It looked very weird. That was what I had added in this program. And then I created the same thing with the win situation. If you win, then stop other scripts is spread, because it's also another stopping program. So then the player will again click on the flag and he'll play again. And then when flag clicked forever, if points greater than 15, like when it will be greater than 15, you could set it to greater than 15 or equal to 15. It does actually make it does not It's quite much similar. Greater than 15 means that it should be 16. Okay, the point should be 16, and equals to 15, that it should be only equal to 15. If it's 16, then no, it won't work. It's your wish, whatever you want to put. Then you put the broadcast. You have to create this message: broadcast win. Then the second program which I created was this win signboard, and its program I derived it from this the game over program. It was when flag click set ghost effect, which appears and disappears as if it is appearing suddenly and then disappearing suddenly. That great transition. That's why I set the ghost effect. And when I receive win, show and repeat 10 times and change ghost effect by 100. If I do this and now, so it gives a good effect to it. And basically that's what I had done in this program. And maybe in the next lesson I will explain how you can create a message that these signboards will ask you if you want to play again. Or I could explain that how you could add sound effects. And basically this is just a sample. It's your wish whatever you can add in this program. So that's what all I have to explain in today's video. So make sure to subscribe and comment down if you hadn't understood any part of today's video. And I will see you soon in another video. Bye.